So this class is music production and audio recording class. We're teaching the students the basics of audio recording. They get to learn how to make beats hands-on, set up microphones, check levels, and just explore the different avenues that we have in the audio industry. The process of recording the song, for us it always starts with the production. We like to choose a beat that we like, get the tempo, find a flow that we can write to. And then from there, they help each other out with writing lyrics, talking about different topics. Sometimes I may give them a topic to talk about, like success or just being a great student and being successful in life. So we start there and the students start writing their lyrics and we start recording, and that's how it goes.
Just like a normal class setting, what we do when we first walk in is like we open up the computers, we get on Soundtrap, and we just like make beats and we make lyrics and everything.
You learn different music, you learn different beats, you learn a different flow of things in here, and that's something I like about this class.
My favorite part about this class is getting to make new friends, learning new ways how to make music, and just trying new things out.
Mr. Bradley's really awesome. He helps us when we don't know what to do, and he really supports us on our podcast.
He helps us with our beats, our tracks, our producing, he helps us with a lot of things.
For me, I hope they learn to believe in themselves in here, understand that you can do anything, chase your dream, whether it be in audio, whether it be in any type of content creation. It's not as far-fetched as you think it may be. So just believe in yourself and take the skills that you learn here and let that be the spark that takes you to the next level, whether you want to create music, or whether you want to be a content creator, whether you want to do sound for TV, commercials. I mean, just really introduce them to the world of audio, because I know when I was in middle school, you would think that only making songs is all we have, and really the audio world is so broad. So really just want to be that spark and that inspiration to them and let them know like they can do this and they can do anything they want. Chase your dreams.